Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use a program like Airtable to organize all of your digital content. I absolutely love Airtable because it allows me to organize all of my business stuff. Now, this is actually a new database that I just created, so I'm going to show you how you can use some of the content in there and what it looks like when you're setting it up. I started off with their digital asset management template. So this is not something that I created from scratch. I added a couple of these tabs to fit into how my business is run. But of course, if you have other kinds of information that you need organized, you can also personalize it to be exactly what you need. I have 4 basic tabs in my Airtable for my digital asset management. We created this Airtable database so that at any point, any team member could access anything they needed as far as digital assets. That includes images, links, copies of PDF downloads, or anything else that we would possibly have to send to a subscriber or use for any kind of design. So the first thing that I created was the digital assets page. Everything in here is basically either an opt-in or they are design elements. So for example, all of these right here are all of our free courses or free challenges. And then we have some of our PDF documents that we use for email opt-ins, or we use them in our courses as well, but that they are not exclusive to our courses. So if someone heard about one of these checklists and emailed them, they're very easily accessed through Airtable with this database. We also have things like our quizzes for easy reference. That way, if there are any questions about how to access it, we can click here and immediately know where to link to. We try to design everything in our business so that anytime we bring in a new team member, they always have all of the tools they need. This is also ideal because our entire team is digital, which means that we need to be able to coordinate everything we have. And if it's stuck on something like my laptop or one of my assistant's laptop, that's going to hold up everyone. So the other thing that I have are logos. These are really important. And I also have branded backgrounds. These backgrounds can be used for different things like blog posts or any kind of branding, but that way we have them for easy access right there. In the next tab, we have our products. These are the majority of the products that we have for sale currently active. And I love using these because I can upload things like our visual assets. So in the Your Money Your Way program, we offer something that is a digital download for each of the 8 personalities or archetypes that we base our program off of. So you can see here that I only have 3 documents. However, there are 8 documents, but I wanted to show you what just a couple looked like. And as you can see, we're still updating this database because it is brand new. But I can link the products to our digital assets. That way, if I have a team member who's trying to help a customer who isn't quite ready for our paid program and is looking for some of our free resources, they know exactly where to direct them. This also tells me what format they are in. So if I only wanted to look at my e-courses, I could sort it or filter it like this. There you go. That way now I'm only seeing those. I can remove that. Every product that we have here at Organizer Biz is typically promoted by a funnel. A funnel is basically a sales process that is completely automated so that even if my team and I aren't working that day, the sales funnel is working for us. We have a few different purposes to our funnels. Primarily, they are to sell our products or to generate affiliate income in a way that provides value to our audience while also supporting our revenue so that we can keep our prices at what we consider a reasonable level for our audience. You can see here that some of our funnels, like for our Tailwind Mastery class, include digital assets like our course. It also tells us what product this funnel promotes. Instead of listing all of the affiliate programs that I'm a member of, because I promote a lot of affiliate products, I list affiliate income as one particular product for the purposes of organizing my funnels. What I also did, which was really useful, is to include what blog posts are promoting the course. So let's say one day I wanted to shut down the Tailwind Mastery class. I would know that I need to update all of these blog posts. Next, speaking of blog posts, we have the blog post tab. The blog post tab is really important because it allows me to click and look through my blog posts and see which blog posts are connected to which funnels. This is really important because if I have an area of my business where I want more traffic, this is really important because if I want to generate more leads, typically that means creating more content. And so if one area of my business maybe isn't doing as well, before creating all new content, I might look at the current content that I have, look at redesigning it, updating it, and then sending it out to either my affiliate partners or back out to my email list as is needed. Okay, so that's an example of one of the ways you can use Airtable, especially to organize all of your branded content, because ultimately, even though your business may be small right now, it's really great to have all of your resources in one place. And one of the things that a lot of entrepreneurs make the mistake of thinking is, well, of course I'm going to do it all myself because I'm an entrepreneur. But if you build your business with the thought in mind that one day you're going to outsource it, which you probably should, or one day you'll need help with certain aspects of it, if you have everything you need all in one place, and it's going to make whoever you hire really grateful to you. Even if it's just something as simple as hiring a graphic designer or hiring someone to help you with your copywriting for a sales page or website design, the more you can have in one place, the more organized it will be, and it will save you time, which saves you money, because you're not paying someone to shift through a bunch of disorganized, crazy files. Airtable is a really amazing way to do that. So I would definitely encourage you to check it out, especially because they have a free plan. So if you try it and it isn't for you, there's no risk.